Alright, so today we're gonna look at the upcoming, fairly new UK footwear brand Elvardi. And we're gonna talk about their implementation of 3D and AR and focus on the UX. So I'm starting here on the start page, homepage, because right away they have leveraged this technology to stand out from the competition. So scrolling down here, you can see that they list their signature collection. And what's remarkable here is that in the top left corner, you have a small button saying try me with a camera symbol. What this does is that it opens up the camera experience so you as a consumer can directly from the home page or the product listing page actually try the shoe on yourself. And I think that's just so natural when you see it, but it's also so effective compared to having to go back and forward between different product detail pages to just be able to swipe through all of this and by a click of a button try them on to directly see, is this color right for me, does it fit my style, is it the silhouette I want? So nice and easy way to make the traffic from the home page actually stay longer and explore the products right away and eventually go to the PDP. So that's the first thing I wanted to stop and highlight. Continuing and scrolling down on the homepage, you can see that they have actually highlighted their best-selling sneaker in a dedicated section in 3D. So once again, they are not having a specific commercial video or any specific glorified photo. They just have the raw 3D model, so you as a consumer can really look at the product just the way you want to look at it and obsess about the details. Zoom in and get a feeling of the shiny detail on the tongue here, see the stitching, get a good representation of the color and everything like that. And also up in the top left corner, they have also incorporated the other technologies that's also available in this shoe. So you have VTO and AR, so you can try them on your feet or put the shoe in front of you on the table. So great stuff. 2 different use cases on the home page. Just to go to the PLP as well to show you that they have the same try me button here. It's a seamless red thread across the entire website to then eventually going to the PDP where they are leading with what we call a 3D first experience, meaning that they have the 3D model at the first position and they put potential 2D content secondary. So once again, right away, I can start here and just like a physical offline in-store experience, look at it just the way I want, not having to go through 5 or 6 different pack shots that someone else had decided. Really nice. I can also then, by clicking on the second icon here, go back to the images to see what the brand have selected themselves. And then we have the same buttons here for try-on and AR. So I can, straight from the PDP, try them on, but also put them in front of me, just like in a physical store, to see if this is the right shoe for me. But what I really want to highlight here is because I think the icons is clear on their own, and they will be more and more clear as Elvardi go on and educate their consumers of what this actually is and what they do for their consumers to be able to make a more well-informed purchasing decision. But I really like the button here that changes the text every 2 seconds. Because the truth is that technologies like this is not common to the average user. Not every brand is using it, and it has not been around for so long because of different hardware and software capabilities. So brands tend to sometimes be more focused on the technology rather than the use case of these technologies. And this is what I really like with this button, because you cannot misunderstand it. So first, it is a question. Prominent CTA, wonder how it looks on you. Everyone understands that. And then it's a very educational and pedagogical text saying, click here, underlined, by the way, to virtually try them on. So I really like that. And I think what's good here is that Elvardi has done this integration for the try-on so many different touch points. I think I can count up to 4 to 5. And they really encourage the user to try them because they want the user to make a more well-informed decision, to not just spontaneously buy these, get them home, and then return them. So really nice of highlighting these technologies so much so the user really understands what they will buy and what they will get home to then eventually avoid an unnecessary return. So great implementation from Elvardi. Looking forward to see what they will do next. I think there will be something cool coming up soon as well.